Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm taking a good opportunity to explain how to increase your WordPress site's media upload file size here. This process can be done easily if you're using the Cloudways server. Before getting into the details, let's check the current file size of your WordPress admin dashboard media section. Here you can see the maximum upload file size is 32 MB. So if you want to increase the file size, we can do it through our hosting server. Cloudways Hosting offers an easier setting to do this task, and let's see how to do the changes in the media file size here. Log into your Cloudways Hosting and click on your server. Under the server management section, click the settings and package option. Look at the basic settings. You can see the option upload size. Just enter your preferred size. Here I am changing the file size from 32 to 64 MB and click Save Changes. This process will take some time to get completed. Once the media file size has been updated in the hosting server, you can refresh your WordPress dashboard and check the changes. See, the media file size has been increased to 64 MB. This is the best way to do the changes in the WordPress media file section. If you don't want to make changes through the server section, you may install a plugin named Increase Maximum File Size to get the job done. Go to your plugin section, search for this plugin, install and activate it. Go to its settings, click the option Increase Maximum Upload File Size. Now you will get the option to do the changes. The current media files is 64 MB. And now I am selecting the size as 128 MB. Click Save Changes. Just refresh your website media section and see the limit of your WordPress upload media file size. It has been increased to 128 MB. For clear understanding, I am doing it again. I am changing the file size to 256 MB. Click Save Changes and refresh the media section to verify the file size. So the file size has been changed to 256. You have learned the best two methods to increase the upload media file section in your WordPress site. Thanks for watching our video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.